Hello YouTube vintage stereo collectors. Just showing a underside chassis view of this Sansui TR-700. I finished most of the restoration work on it. Just thought we should get in a little closer on it. You can see just how many solder joints and wires and stuff there are in this. Those two squares over here, I've never seen those in an amp before. I've seen different versions of them. They're actually heat sinked silicon rectifiers, and they barely get warm at all, especially with the new filter capacitors in here. It won't get warm because there's not as much load. There's one in there, a few over here. There's quite a few caps in this, and because of its size and weight, this is a bit difficult to work on, you know, because you're always flipping and trying to push it around. I have it on this old towel here so you can see it when I slide it around on the table so it doesn't scratch anything. Is that not an absolutely beautiful faceplate? Cleaned up. It has incandescent lights. I'm not putting LEDs in this one. I think it does it a disservice. I'm just going to show you the work top side on this, and you can see the German work capacitors which I've been using on this. And let's get in a little closer. See how many caps in it, how many transistors. There's 40 transistors in this. A lot of resistors, interstage transformers. Here's what I found, especially on this preamp board over here. That's where the greatest boost in sound came from, recapping and retransistorizing that as it ever opened up. In fact, you ever had that feeling, you know, you're in the presence of greatness with certain stereo equipment? I mean, this thing, you wouldn't believe the FM. I mentioned this, I think, on the other video. Absolutely great FM. And I'm going to try it out with the phono stage and a turntable maybe tomorrow morning. Just the way it's built, the way it's designed. This is quite an accomplishment in the 60s. And boys, it ever stood up. I mean, I would put this up against a lot of newer stuff. You might say, oh, this has got 140 watts per channel and this only has 40 or whatever. It's the sound quality. And this one really has it. Anyway, that's a little update. Thanks for watching and listening.